Patios used to spill out into the yard. Benches help to define the space and frame our fire pit. A fire pit with benches has more character and looks better than a bunch of scattered plastic chairs. And benches have more value than patio furniture because they don't require maintenance, covers, or replacement every few years. And with down and up lighting, evening enjoyment is a given. We began with our synthetic base. We have a number 8 1/4-inch clean stone bedding layer. On top of that, we have our Borealis and hazelnut brandy. You can see that we've installed corrugated plastic to drain on this low spot. We could have also used a masonry cord in that area. Above that, we have our Graphix wall in beige cream. That's an in and out texture, smooth and split face. We went all smooth face all around to match the contemporary design of our patio. On top of that, another row of our Borealis, and then our Raffinato cap in beige cream. Now we took this a step further and we cut in a 1/2 inch back, because we're going to have 1 inch of overhang, a drip line on the 3 sides. So any water in this area will be able to sheet off of the cap and drip free of our wall, so we won't have any staining. Bring in my next unit. That's perfect. Get me one more. And with one more bench, these homeowners will have furniture forever.